Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in once again. If this is your first time opening any of my videos, it's a girl Tifa, Church by Tifa Ramon. Thank you. So we're out here in the farm because it's a good day today. It's meant to be a girls' day out, but we have this person here.
Yeah.
Anyways,
We like to tag along.
exactly, likes to tag along. So wait, Amaya photo. Just wait. I'm doing video. Jesus.
Hello.
Say hi. Say hi. To the Sabis, to my family. Anyway, guys. Yeah. So we're here. I'm gonna show you around. So. Yeah, we're at the farm. Where is this farm called? New Band Farm. Exactly. So that's where we are, guys. I'm gonna show you guys around. Oh, that's the donkey shed. Let me show them. So that's the donkey shed, guys. Guys, I actually pray there's no dogs around because I'm shitting myself. Like, you already know your girl is scared of dogs. Eh? Like I say hi. Hello. Oh my god, you're such a fool. Then I have to push empty body. Olive, are you excited to see the... I don't throw this strawberry thing on the floor.
How do you know my question?
Close your eyes and do like. Close your eyes and do like. Oh my god, oopsie daisy. Welcome, my fine care. Anyway, guys. Ṣé bí ẹdìyẹ la máa kú sí ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ já máa lọ? Mo sí ẹdìyẹ. So here's a peek, guys. Ó ti jẹun owó bó ṣe rí. Look at that. Give them. What kind of a father are you? Hello. Like a coffee so get out. Oh, Joram. Sheep get. Oh, the big baggy. I don't know. You know what I know? Lo Jacowa now. Wọ́n ti cage kò sómi ṣebí lórí lọ gbé wọn sí. Okay, duck ní kíní geese and ducks. But no, mo máa ń rò bí geese and àbí ducks máa wà. Hello. Look at you. Cattle. So the cattle are nothing. No one asked you not to bring your jacket. What are you doing? I fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Olivia fọwọ́ kàn. She's not even scared. I think she'd be crying by now.
Let's say she's older.
No, she's okay. She's older. She'll be scared.
Yeah, she has no idea what's going on. Come on.
Have you anyone? Yes, I cheese back food. One for the little boy who leads down the lane. Ooh. Hey, they move for like a come and suck on it. So I believe we've seen everything on the farm. So like the sheep, I don't know, sheep, donkey, pig, and kilaturi, geese, duck, sheep. So that's all.
Dog, cattle,
So we're heading back now. That's our journey done on the farm. And we're going somewhere else, but stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah, just me. Hey, Joko. Hey, Johnny. And you see where we're going next. If the dog comes now, I'm not going to panic.
Yeah, no.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit chilly, guys. It's chilly out here. It's sunny, but it's chilly, man. Guys, look, they're like dummies. I don't know if you call them pacifiers or hanged up on the tree. The tree's so beautiful. I don't know, probably like people that lost their dummies, so they just hung them all up here. But I don't know, maybe it's interesting that decided to hang them up here. I don't know, but yeah, it's so cute. Like so many dummies. Tí Olivia ṣe borúkọ wà ńbẹ̀ kẹfì sí kán lè rántí pé Olivia náà wá sí farm. Are you hungry already? Are you hungry already? So we're at the second location, but we can't find a place to park. So much anxiety. The amount of people there, like.
Okay, let's try.
Can't even tell that there's COVID going on. My God. So much for COVID, guys. So much for COVID. Like, my God. Guys, and we're on level 5. Oh, we're actually still on level 5. Hey, Baba Mio. Are you having fun?
Say yes, I am.
Guys, look at the queue for fish and chips. My God, so long.
Yeah, look like a, you can pass it, John. Jeez, like a what? Over there, like it doesn't look like shop like that.
So guys, we're at the old market. Where we finally got to the destination. On your Lomas. So guys, just come with me. I'll show you the field market. Glad. What tickles your fancy, people?
Fish and chips.
That's not nice, but maybe the burgers and never there.
get the sausage or something, or the hot dog. Ah, can you imagine as far? It's pizza and wine.
So guys, I'm gonna be getting churros. Thank you.
Chips, the same chips.
So guys, Folake queued 2 hours.
Not 2 hours.
It's 2 hours. There's your match.
No, like 1 hour.
Be by 2 hours for fish and chips. Please, Folake, who told you about this best of Abiki Lorukomo?
I don't know. That's the only shop I found.
How come? No, that is not the only shop you found. Why were you so?
Salt and vinegar.
You didn't put coffee, taste in bed.
I can't manage any. Let's catch up in the bag. Yeah.
Is it worth the wait?
The fishes.
The fishes, okay.
What is this like? Show you Maggi and Ben. But the chips is just like normal.
Just taste it, tomato.
How about kitchen?
The cow am no more. Just tinty bits. Nino tutu were. Anyways, I have chips here and chicken butter. Well, mashi later. Oh, no, yeah, taste it. Yeah, beggy, no good. Guys, I'm begging you. See what this? Oh my God, for that can on my bag. Slow down, guys. Yep. Okay, guys, look at them. They fighting. Oh my God, he's gonna kill him. Oh my God. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'm going to dive into my food now and ciao. And we're on our way back home, Abby. So thanks for watching, and we will see Toto. So, and it's cold, guys. Like the sun, look at, like it's beaming, but if you step out there, it's so cold. I think it's like because we're near the sea as well, and it's windy, so it's so cold. But anyways, that's it. We're done for the day. At Badwara and Lolly. So see you in my next video. Lots of love.
The chips was like cheap as, you know.
Say bye, Jella. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.